Hey there, Tony. Hey there, Eric. Do you drink coffee? Yes, every single day.
How many cups, usually?
About 2 cups daily.
That's pretty normal, honestly.
Yes, keeps me going strong.
What time do you drink it?
Right after I wake up.
That's a good routine.
Yes, helps me start well.
Do you like it strong?
Yes, quite strong, actually.
I prefer it milder, honestly.
That's fine too. Everyone's different.
Do you add sugar?
No, just black coffee.
That's really healthy, honestly.
Yes, trying to stay healthy.
Do you add milk sometimes?
Sometimes, yes, a little.
That sounds really nice, honestly.
Yes, gives it a smooth taste.
Where do you buy coffee?
A small shop nearby.
What's the shop called?
Morning Brew on Main Street.
I know that place.
Yes, they have great coffee.
Do you make it at home?
Yes, most mornings, actually.
What machine do you use?
A simple drip machine.
That's really practical, honestly.
Yes, easy and quick to use.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, definitely, every single day.
How many cups at work?
1 more cup, usually.
That makes 3 total then.
Yes, exactly, keeps me focused.
Do you like the smell?
Yes, I really love it.
That's my favorite part too.
Yes, wakes me up instantly.
Do you drink coffee at night?
No, never, keeps me awake.
Dex honestly true.
Yes, only morning and afternoon.
Do you have a favorite cup?
Yes, a big blue mug.
That sounds really nice. Honestly?
Yes, it's my favorite one.
Do you drink it slowly?
Yes, usually take my time.
That sounds really relaxing. Honestly.
Yes, it's my quiet moment.
Do you read while drinking?
Sometimes, yes, in the morning.
That sounds like a great habit.
Yes, love starting my day that way.
Do you drink coffee on weekends?
Yes, of course, every weekend.
Same amount as weekdays.
Maybe a bit more, honestly.
That makes sense. More relaxed time.
Yes, exactly. No rush then.
Do you like iced coffee?
Yes, especially in summer.
That sounds really refreshing. Honestly.
Yes, perfect for hot days.
Do you make it yourself?
Yes, freeze coffee ice cubes.
Das clever, honestly true.
Yes, keeps it from getting watery.
Do you drink coffee with friends?
Yes, sometimes it's really nice.
That sounds like great fun.
Yes, good conversations over coffee.
Do you meet friends at cafes?
Yes, quite often, actually, honestly.
What's your favorite cafe?
The one downtown, actually.
I should visit sometime.
Yes, you really should, honestly.
Do you like the taste alone?
Yes, love the taste itself.
That's important honestly true.
Yes, not just for the energy.
Do you feel the caffeine effect?
Yes, definitely wakes me right up.
How long does it last?
About for hours, usually.
That's pretty long. Honestly,
Yes, keeps me going well.
do you ever skip your coffee?
Rarely, honestly, only when sick.
That's still honestly true.
Yes, still try to drink some.
Do you feel tired without it?
Yes, definitely feel really sluggish.
That's ramen honestly true.
Yes, many people feel same way.
Do you buy whole beans?
Yes, always fresher that way.
Do you grind them yourself?
Yes, every morning, actually.
That's rated honestly true.
Yes, makes a big difference, honestly.
Do you store beans properly?
Yes, in an airtight container.
That's right, honestly true.
Yes, keeps them fresh longer.
Do you like trying new brands?
Yes, always curious about new ones.
That sounds honestly true.
Yes, love discovering new flavors.
What's your favorite type?
Medium roast, definitely my favorite.
I prefer dark roast, honestly.
That's good too, everyone's different taste.
Do you drink coffee traveling?
Yes, always, wherever I go.
That's real, honestly true.
Yes, it's part of my routine.
Do you bring a travel mug?
Yes, always, keeps it warm.
That's really honestly true.
Yes, love having it ready.
Do you like the ritual?
Yes, very much honestly true.
That's what I love too.
Yes, it's a nice moment.
Do you think it's healthy?
Yes, in moderation, honestly true.
I completely agree with that.
Yes, everything in balance, honestly.
Do you drink water too?
Yes, plenty alongside my coffee.
That's really honestly true.
Yes, staying hydrated matters a lot.
Do you think you'll quit someday?
No, honestly, I really love it.
That's simple, honestly true.
Yes, it's part of who I am.
Do you like coffee shop's atmosphere?
Yes, really love the ambience.
What do you like most?
The quiet background noise, honestly.
That sounds really nice, honestly.
Yes, helps me focus, actually.
Do you work from cafes sometimes?
Yes, quite often, actually, honestly.
That sounds really productive, honestly.
Yes, love the change of scenery.
Do you like espresso shots?
Yes, occasionally for extra energy.
That's right, honestly true.
Yes, but works really well sometimes.
Do you like coffee with dessert?
Yes, pairs really well together.
What dessert do you like most?
Something sweet, usually chocolate.
That's just honestly true.
Yes, perfect combination, honestly.
Do you like decaf sometimes?
Rarely prefer regular coffee, honestly.
That makes sense. More energy.
Yes, exactly why I choose regular.
Do you like coffee art?
Yes, love the latte art.
That's really all honestly true.
Yes, makes coffee more enjoyable.
Do you take photos of it?
Sometimes, yes, when it's nice.
That sounds like a fun habit.
Yes, small joys in life, honestly.
Do you like the coffee culture?
Yes, really enjoy the whole experience.
That's really honestly true.
Yes, coffee brings people together, honestly.
I completely agree with that.
Yes, exactly how I feel too.
Coffee really is special, honestly.
Yes, truly is, Eric, honestly.
Well, I should get going now.
Yes, me too. Nice talking.
It was really great chatting.
Yes, always enjoy our talks.
We should grab coffee together.
Yes, that sounds like great fun.
Let's plan that soon then.
Yes, definitely. Let's do that.
Have a really great day.
You too, take care, Eric.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later. Goodbye, Eric.
Goodbye. Tony, take care.
Goodbye, Eric. Take care too.